Jack, watch out. You walk away. You walked away from me. I was gonna go grab a couple more.
Oh, that's so funny right there. That is like, put your legs out.
Oh boy. Oh boy. You gonna come sit in front of me? You gonna sit on the hood?
No.
You gotta sit on the hood.
No, I'm not gonna crack that hood.
It can't pop wheelies if you're on the hood.
Sure.
Get on the hood.
Pop a wheelie, Ian.
I'm not cracking that. I gotta go pee.
Can't even do splits.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in slow gear. Okay.
Okay.
Does it have slow? Right.
Yeah.
Yes, it has slow and
Got
fast,
fast, slow, and
reverse.
reverse.
Alright. It's in slow gear.
Jeff had one of those little.
Alright, you ready? I'll pop a wheelie. Get on the hood. You know, I got a little pink Ford Bennett. I'll put green yellow on it, Dave. It totals it out.
Claim insurance on it.
I'll be back.
Mike, move. Move.